वेलकम टू स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन। डेली द हिंदू वोकेब्युलरी में आप लोगों का स्वागत। पोग्नांसी, मार्मिकता, भावनात्मक तीव्रता। मीनिंग, द क्वालिटी ऑफ एवोकिंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ सैडनेस और रिग्रेट। सिनोनिम्स, डीप इमोशन, इंटेंसिटी, पैथास। एंटोनिम्स, insensitivity, dullness, numbness. Example, the poignancy of the farewell speech left everyone in tears. Anguish, vyatha, pida. Meaning, severe mental or physical pain or suffering. Synonyms, agony, distress, torment. Antonyms, comfort, relief, peace. Example, she was in deep anguish after hearing the tragic news. Impermanence, asthirta. Meaning, the state of not lasting forever or being temporary. Synonyms, temporariness, transience, fleetingness. Antonyms, permanence, stability, endurance. Example, the impermanence of life teaches us to appreciate each moment. Quip, chutki, mazakiya tippani. Meaning, a witty or clever remark, often made humorously. Synonyms, joke, wisecrack, jest, witticism. Example, the comedian's quick quip had the entire audience laughing. Rapport, sohardra, अच्छा संबंध. Meaning, a friendly, harmonious relationship characterized by mutual understanding and trust. Synonyms, bond, connection, understanding, harmony. Antonyms, discord, coldness, hostility. Example, the teacher built a strong rapport with her students, making learning enjoyable. Debility, nirbalta, kamzori. Meaning, physical or mental weakness. Synonyms, weakness, frailty, feebleness, infirmity. Antonyms, strength, robustness, vitality. Example, after months of illness, he suffered from extreme debility and fatigue. Looming, asanna, nikat aane wala. Meaning, something, usually unpleasant, that seems likely to happen soon. Synonyms, approaching, impending, threatening, imminent. Antonyms, distant, remote, unlikely. Example, there is a looming threat of recession if inflation is not controlled. Felicitate, सम्मानित करना, बधाई देना. Meaning, to congratulate or honor someone for an achievement. Synonyms, congratulate, honor, celebrate, commend. Antonyms, criticize, condemn, disparage. Example, the principal felicitated the students who excelled in board exams. Ominous, ashubh, डरावना संकेत देने वाला. Meaning, suggesting that something bad or unpleasant is going to happen. Synonyms, a threatening, menacing, foreboding, sinister. Antonyms, promising, hopeful, favorable. Example, dark, ominous clouds signaled the arrival of a powerful storm. Unenviable, अवांछनीय, ईर्ष्या योग्य नहीं. Meaning, difficult, unpleasant, or undesirable, or not something one would wish to have. Synonyms, undesirable, difficult, unpleasant, disadvantageous. Antonyms, desirable, coveted, attractive. Example, the minister found himself in the unenviable position of defending the unpopular law. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.